Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay an invoice on HarmonWeb. So let's get started. Log into your HarmonWeb account. Now from your HarmonWeb account, we'll click on billings, and here you click on my invoices, or you can also click on the invoices option here. So here I have one invoice. So here I'm just going to click on billings and I'll click on my invoices. Now from here, you'll be able to see all your invoices, your invoice number, the invoice dates, the due dates, the total invoice to be paid, and also the status of your invoice. So here I have unpaid invoice and also different paid invoices. And also from here, from this sidebar here, you can also see your invoices here. So currently I have 3 invoices due. You can also decide to pay all your invoice here by clicking on the pay all button. From the status option here, you can be able to filter for your paid invoice, your unpaid invoice, cancelled invoice, and also refunded invoice. And to pay an invoice, you click on the particular invoice you want to pay for. You click on it. Here you can see your invoice number, you see your status, the date, and the option to pay now, and different information here. And also you have the option to select your payment method. So here I have my payment method set to card bank transfer. I can also select Flutterwave as a second option. So after selecting your payment method, you click on pay now. Now from here you have the option to put in your payment details. You can select bank transfer, or you can select bank or USSD, pay attitude, or any other option here to make your payment. And when you make your payment, the unpaid status should be changed to paid. And if you want to use Flutterwave to make your payments, you click on Flutterwave option. And with this, my payment method is now set to Flutterwave. Now you click on pay now. And this will direct you to Flutterwave secured payments platform where you'll be able to make your payments. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. If you have any question, feel free to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.